Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is Mullvad VPN and Bitdefender VPN. So to get started with a quick overview about these two platforms. So Mullvad is a privacy-first VPN with a transparent SCAR practice with no user data collection and a flat money price, while its core focus is privacy. It offers a consistent, fast speed due to its WireGuard protocols and LAN server infrastructure. Then talking about the Bitdefender VPN on the other side is a performance VPN focused on VPN bundled with Bitdefender's security suite. It's leverage hotspot shield, catapult Hydra protocol for very fast speed with a lack this transparency and a privacy priority of Mullvad. Now talking about what these two platforms are best for. So talking about the Mullvad, what the Mullvad VPN is best for privacy conscious user who still want fast and consistent speed. On the other side, talking about Bitdefender VPN, it is best for user focused on speed and antivirus integration. So if that's what you focus on, this platform, which is Bitdefender, might be your best choice. And talking about the downside about these two platforms, so starting with the Bitdefender VPN downside, there's no independent audit, and also there's no collect. So it requires a Bitdefender subscription for full access, and also collect some collection logs, not activities logs. Then talking about the downside of the Mullvad VPN, it's not tailored for streaming or specific content unblocking, and also lack extra like a kill switch optimization for auto connect rules on some platform, and also there's no log time discount. And here's the overall conclusion about these two platforms. So you can choose Mullvad if you value speed with a strong privacy, anonymity, and open source privacy. On the other side, choose the Bitdefender VPN if you want a priority if your priority is a raw speed and seamless integration together with an antivirus protection, especially if you are already a Bitdefender user. So that's it.